Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find an aesthetic Halloween videos on Canva. So if you are confused or where to find the Halloween or spooky videos related to Halloweens, you can do that on Canva. So you can post it in your social media. As you know, Halloween is coming in, so I want to show you how you can find it and also the keyword for the video. So here on Canva you can just go with a blank page like this and then go to videos, and here I'm going to show you three keywords that you can search for the Halloween video. So here you can also see there's Halloween, but I'm going to just go for specific videos. So first you just need to find, for example, haunted house here, and the result will be appear, and you can just choose one of these results to add to your content or video. For example, this one's right here. Just click on the video, and if you want to make it like Instagram story format, you can just right click and set the video as the background, and here is the video. I think I like this video and it's aesthetic, and you can also search other videos here. And the next keyword I'm going to show you is, as you know, Halloween is identical with pumpkin, so you can just find pumpkin decor here, and it will be appear so many pumpkin related videos, and you can just choose one of this video to your design. For example, this video is right here. Ooh, I like this video. Okay, so next, the last keyword is you can just find this dark magic. You can find it here, dark magic. You can see there are so many dark magic related video which is spooky, as can use it for Halloween. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.